get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be busting, where they enjoy life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? 1 more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. That hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fox. Had to cut out the session, he got in the crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got
yo,
me.
yo.
No Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we swinging a rock. We kicking this beating, why serve you sure? Even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me, yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing.
What's good, what's good, what's good? Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Let's get it. Happy Tuesday. We seeking the day we can sing up the water, get freedom to walk. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk, get back to the business. What's up, everyone? Welcome
moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah.
How is everyone doing? Happy Tuesday. Welcome in. Welcome in. How y'all doing, chat? Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. W's in the chat. What is up? What is up, friends? How y'all feeling? Everybody doing good? Everybody doing great? Oh, man. Oh, man. W's in the chat. We got motion. Tuesday got motion. What up, Pete the G? What up, Rafi's in the building? What up, Rafi? What's up, Gotta Trade? Z Gamer in the house. Z Gamer in the house. Who else? Who else? Gotta Trade in the house. Rafi's here. AJ's here. Young Pipper. What up, Young Pipper? What up, Purpose? What's good, Aaron? Legrand's in the house. What up, Ayush? What up, Energy? Stevie Mac in the building. What up, Mike Go? How y'all feeling today? What's up, Dropout Trader? Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. What up, Wiz Buddha? Wiz Buddha. Hey, Wiz Buddha, I didn't know you lived out there, man. Damn. Energy, how you doing? How you doing, Energy? What up, Scott? What up, JFX? What's up, Heart Foundation? Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Nathan. It's good. Chris, Lewis G in the building. Top G right there. Top G Sniper. What's up, Mr. Lopez? Good morning, Christian. Good morning. What up, Xander? 3 Ants in the house. 3 Ants. What up, Andrew? Buzzblad. Richard Lewis in the building. Praise God. Yeah, we need Richard Lewis here, man. We need Richard Lewis here. What up, Chala? Good morning, Flip. All right, let's get the day started. I think we are ready to rock and roll. What time is it? 7:05. I'm here. I'm ready to go. You guys ready to go? Type a W in the chat if you're ready. And let's see what we got going on here today. Let me message this back. Good. Cool. All right, welcome in, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome in. It is Tuesday, July 2nd. It's going to be a fantastic day here today. Let me go ahead and pray, and then we'll get the day started. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you, Lord. We thank you that we can come to you every single day, Lord, that we're not ashamed of your word. We're not ashamed to pray. We know the power in it, Lord. You continue to do miracles through this power of prayer. So we thank you for it, Lord. I encourage the hearts and the minds here today to rest on you, to rest in you, Lord, to go out and seek the promises that you have over their life so that they can build the confidence in the spirit man, in the spirit woman to go after it, Lord. We thank you for all that you're doing here, and we give you all the glory. We pray that you bless this day, and we thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. 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 Let's get to it, chat. Let's get to it. What do you say? Brand new day. Let's go ahead and start. Today is, again, the second day of July. Right? July, Nick. It is not June anymore. It's not January. I think I said January the other day. It's definitely July. So welcome into the second day of July here. I hope you guys are well. It is Tuesday here, and it's another day, man. It's another day to be at the desk. It's another day to continue to strive towards that 8-figure trader mark, right? It's another day to be disciplined, to be patient, to be responsible, and see how we can go about our business here today. So let's take a look at what we got going on in the news and the headlines here, and then we can begin to plan our day out. So let's see what we got. We got, man, 9:30 is calling, huh? Okay, so nothing here today until 9:30, which is my favorite time to take trades. It looks like we have Pal speaking, right? Pal's going to be coming in speaking, and then you have another red folder here at 10 a.m., which is the Jolts job opening. So we've got some activity, right? We've got some activity a little bit later on in the session. We should be pretty clean for NY Open here, but once 9:30 NYSE Open starts coming around, that's where you should get some crazy volatility. So that's pretty much it here for the day. As you can see, that's the remainder of the couple little yellow folders, but nothing else after that. So that's pretty much all we got ahead of us here today, and we should be good to go, right? We should get a lot of volume coming in around 9:30 and see what Pal brings into the markets here today. So let's go ahead and do a breakdown. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here while you settle down. Give the stream a like. I think we are good. Let me just send the Zoom link to my guys here. All right, Zoomers are zooming. And one more thing. Okay, cool. So Zoomers are zooming. We should be good. Let me just move my chat over here. And then, all right, let's get it started. So let's go ahead and do a fresh top-down analysis here on gold. And let's see what we got going on here today. So taking a look at gold, let's take a look at the daily time frame here first, and let's kind of tell the story here from time frame to time frame. So when we're looking at this daily candle here, we see that we did close bullish here. It's a bit not gonna lie, the daily is actually pretty sketchy here, like little gaps and stuff, but we see here that on the daily time frame you're basically trapped, right? So you're trapped within this overall resistance right here, and then you've got pretty strong level of support sitting right here. So this is basically just consolidating. As you can see, candles are just printing side by side now, right? 1, 2, 3. So we really need to see a candle actually make some sort of a breakout here. And hey, how's the music, chat? How's the music? I feel like it's loud. Is it too loud? What up, Zoomers? Let me know. Let me know quickly. Too loud? All right, I thought so. All right, cool. That should be good. We should be good to go there. So, all right, cool. We'll make it a little louder later. So again, that resistance is there. We've got support. We're just kind of printing side by side here on the daily candle, on the daily time frame, where candles are just kind of, printing, back and forth. So we did close bullish, right? Although we are printing side by side, we did close bullish here. Therefore, this candle could make a bottom wick now, and as long as it respects the low, it could come up and fill that wick there, right? We don't know if it's going to break the highs, and run up towards like 2362-ish, but we do know that this candle can 100% be on its way down to make a bottom wick, to come up, break the high, and fill that wick up there. So that's kind of the idea for today. We may be able to catch sells as well. I'm open for buys and sells, because if you break this low right here, then you have very, very clean traffic coming down, and that daily candle can easily, and I mean easily, just begin to push down like this today. Right, so we'll see what happens. As you can see, there's a bit of a hold up in this level here, rejection, and then potential rejection here today. So we'll see what happens with all that on the daily, but keep in mind, previous daily candle yesterday did close bullish, and it's time to go take a look at what the 4 hours is saying here. So the 4 hour time frame is, you have candles that have moved up, right? Yesterday was a bit wacky. As you can see, all of this craziness going on here yesterday during the session, and we haven't really done much since. We kind of just pushed up, and then printing sideways now. So you did get a support to form here, right? Let me get rid of some of these arrows. You did get a support to form, but it looks like we're breaking the low, right? So the 4 hour candle right here has broken the low, but it didn't really do much after, right? So it kind of potentially did some sort of a pack runner for price to move back up and close above support here in like an hour and 48 minutes. So we'll see what happens with that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour. So daily bullish, previous daily candles bullish, previous 4 hour candles bullish here. The 1 hour is beginning to slow up, right? What can we say about the 4 hour here? We can say that price has come tapped into this support, right? So if price is tapping into that support, will it want to reject it and begin to push up, just like the rest of these candles have done, right? Rejection, this candle pushed down, rejected. What will this guy do is the big question here over the next hour and 47 minutes. So that's kind of like what we're looking at. Let's go ahead and see what the 1 hour looks like. So you have a major support level right here on the 1 hour time frame. So we notice that price has already tapped into that support. We had a strong bearish move here, right? If we kind of do this time frame to time frame, you have actually, let's just start over here, right? So you had support form, right? You had clean traffic to the left. You had a decent push up, bullish momentum dying. Price came all the way down, tapped into that support, pushed all the way back up. Another small bullish candle, massive bearish candle here, and then this one's a dud, right? So this one just attempted to come back and tap into the same exact support that this guy tapped into, and did not close below, did not push below, but actually ended up closing very weak bearish, right? Now this candle's opening up. It's got pretty much no bottom wick, and it looks like it may start to push off of this support, just like we have in the past here. So you have a major support level right here that price is just playing at right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 30-minute time frame real quick. So 30's got support as well, right? Support right here, and we'll see what happens. I think if you can get a closure back above 25 now, then that looks pretty solid for price to continue moving up here. Yeah, probably we should be able to get somewhere up in these ranges, which is 29, right? Yeah, 29. So somewhere up in these ranges here. We do want to see a closure back above the range here, and then we can kind of look for buys at that point. 15 minutes struggling a little bit. You've got a new support there, so you may range here for a little bit, and then if we can get that breakout, that'd be fantastic. And I'll look to target like 31 here. So that's kind of my idea. The previous daily's bullish, the 4 hours bullish, the previous 4 hours bullish, right? The 1 hour is tapping into support. The 30 minutes tapping into support, and same thing with the 15. We're starting to range here. So if we can get a closure back above the range, I think price is looking really good to continue up here and fill that range there. So we'll see what happens. But that's pretty much what I got going on here today. Sells are a bit tough. Sells are definitely a little bit tough, because if we look below the support right here, right below here, you have another support here, right? You have more support here, so this whole area is very challenging for price lately. So don't really want to pull the trigger in this zone, because yeah, I'd rather see a pullback, right? I'd rather see us actually make the bullish move up, come into these ranges here, and then begin to pull back. So that's what I got going on. No sells just yet for me, but Buys above 23.26 are pretty good for new positions. Yep, and that's pretty much it. I wish we had some cleaner traffic to the left. We do have these wicks to fill, so there may be an opportunity, right, to come down into these ranges, as you see prices done in the past. So that's pretty much what I got. This is a 42 pip range, and then above here is about a 52 pip range. So we'll see where we want to go. Right now we're probably going to struggle a little bit on this 15-minute time frame as we just consolidate, and then once we get a breakout, we can kind of look at some options from there. So that's the day. That's the day. Clone it. Boom. Oh my God, what happened? There we go. All right. So pretty simple day. No trade zone here for me. Not going to touch anything within this range currently. If you guys are already in positions, that is what it is, right? But anything above there is good for new trades, and anything below is decent. I think I'm going to wait for range 2 below here because number 1, 4-hour and daily are both bullish. Number 2, there's supports everywhere here. So gonna wait for range 2 sells here today, and then take clean buys above 26. Yeah, range 2 sells. Range 2 sells. All right, and then buys above. Cool. Questions, comments, concerns? Happy Tuesday. What's up, traders next door? What up, what up? Good morning, Rose and Buds. What's good? Congratulations yesterday on picking the I don't know where. Yesterday I'm just like, yeah, pick a number from 1 to 1,000. We'll give you a 25K challenge account. How you doing? Yo, Billy O'Neill is in the building. What's good? What's up, Energy? I am doing amazing. Fantastic. Fantastic. How you doing, Energy? Good morning, Stephen B. Stephen B is in the house. What's up? What's up? Amen, Richard Lewis. What up, Traders X? Was the 3:30 a.m. candle a valid impulse buy, or was a larger candle needed? 3:30 a.m. Eastern. Let's take a look. Traders X. So this one. Was the 3:30 a.m. candle a valid impulse buy? Oh, so from down here probably, right? Right? Yeah, because you did tap into support here. So imagine, like right now, this is what this candle could potentially look like, right? Being that we're back here. Look at every time we came down here, excuse me, we tend to wick off and push up. Wick off, push up. This one went a little lower, pushed up. Same here, support, pushed up. Wicked off, created support, pushed up. Same thing here, wicked off, support, push, or not really support, impulse entry, pushed up. So you never know, we may be able to see that right here as well. But yeah, this was a good impulse trade right here. If you like took an entry, I don't know, somewhere on the break of the current candle highs, whether it was like here or wherever it was, yeah, I think that was pretty good. All you have to do at that point is keep stops below the low here, right below this wick, and then that's your trade. So I'm working on some entry stuff where we could potentially have super tight stops. So something like this, but still be very valid, where you can take your position somewhere around here, right, on this green candle, and literally keep stops sitting right there, and then you're obviously targeting like somewhere back up in the range. So we're working on R to R, you know, and all that good stuff. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Still got a lot of testing to do. We're going to talk a lot about the entries and the new like entries and exits and ideas like that when it comes to the webinar that we're going to do. It's going to be a very informative webinar. Yeah. And then let's see what we got. So all we have is this 9:30 stuff here today. So it shouldn't be too crazy here today. of like volume until we get to 9:30. The fade on the 1 hour at 1 to 5 RR. The guru coming. Yeah, we're gonna try and get the link up for the webinar here today. Should be done this morning. By the way, chat, the elite program is full, so we're done with the elites. It's all completely full. We shut it down like yesterday, and yeah. So next time we open that up, we'll let you know. That'll be in August. I may only look to take on maybe 1 or 2 in August, because I do want to take my wife on a quick little trip. So I don't want to be too busy here in August. What up, Rob Trades? Good morning, bro. Good morning, Lily. Yeah, we got NFP coming in this week too, by the way. So NFPs will be here on Friday. We've got a big bank holiday here on the 4th, which is Thursday. And then Wednesday we'll have ADP come in tomorrow, and ISM PMI. And then we're also going to have unemployment claims, which would normally be Thursday, but markets are going to be closed that day. So options. I see you, bro. I see you. Johnny Gents. Hey, 1 second. I need to send a voice message. Give me 1 second. All right, we good. I hate texting, man. I like sending voice messages. No music here yet. White Shark in the building. Let's get the music up for Zoom. Zoom, leaving you guys out. Sorry, guys. Zoomies, how you doing? Hey, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you guys can join the Discord. It is completely free to join. Let me fix something. Let's take a look at trade of the day. Zoomers.
How you doing?
How you doing? Yeah, let's take a look at the Discord real quick, and let's take a look at some trades that we have from our lovely traders here at Time to Eat. And let's see what we can learn. Let's see what we can learn here. So, gold celery play during the Asian session. Only thing is, entry candle had a very small top wick. Okay, let's take a look. So celery play, 15-minute time frame, entry at the bottom of the 15 body. Okay. Okay. 28 pips secured. Beautiful. Yeah, nice trade, man. Nice trade. The only, I think I would have had, so this was probably a 15-minute onion too. Or, oh no, this was the 15-minute. Okay. So yeah, I think the only difference I would have did was maybe my entry would have been a little bit lower. But great trade here, man. Great trade. This is also where you could potentially catch like a fade idea, because the main thing here is like we kind of closed below the range here. So if this candle makes a low anywhere, even if that low is right where your entry, you can enter on the break of that low, and then you would expect price to come down and fill this range here. So yeah, great trade. Great trade, man. When was that? That was Asian session. Oh, nice. Nice white shark. All right, I see you. I see you. Perfect onion buy pre-London. Let's take a look. There it is. Donald Trump debate. Oh, nice. Oh, this was the debate night? Yeah. Oh no, over here was the debate. Yeah, beautiful. Very nice. What was this? Pre-London? Pre-London buys. Perfect textbook play here on the onion. Yup. Great job, white shark. Great job, man. Let's go. Let's see here. We got same position here. It looks like the onion play. Price was bearish. 30-minute candle did not have a top wick. 15 bullish engulf. All right. Also, candle. Yep. Perfect. So yeah, same exact trade. So same trade right here. Beautiful onion play. Let's take a look at the fade. We got the fade going on. So stops are kept above here. Previous 4-hour close strong bearish. 4-hour was pushing up to make a top wick. All right. Yeah, 15 with all. Yeah, nice. Yeah, so stops kept above the highs. See what I mean? You see how this is going to help us with RR, right? So this will help us with RR moving forward, where we're going to be able to kind of, in a way, catch these wicks, right? Catch these highs. Maybe we won't get the entry on them, but we'll get the stop loss there, right? And then it'll be a valid stop with a very, very clean entry for price to come down and give us, you know, definitely more than a 1R. So yeah, those are great positions there. Let's see here. Gold buys during the London session. All right. Let's see. So the fade. Hey, energy fading out here. All right. 4-hour bear, daily bull, 4-hour, 1-hour tap support. Perfect. Yeah, that's what we're seeing kind of right now too. Entered on the break of the previous stop loss, previous lows. Yeah, beautiful. Great job, energy. Closed 90% at 10 pips, and then BE. Okay, and then close full at 27. Nice. Yeah, great trade. Great trade. All right, let's see here. Pre-New York. So pre-New York here, fake out. All right, at 6:41 a.m. Eastern. 4-hour bull, daily bull, candle close below the range. Okay, entry on the break of the close 90% at 10 pips. Went BE. Nice. Let's go. B got tapped. Yeah. Nice trade, energy. You see how everyone's taking the same trades? Pretty much. Same exact trades. All right, let's see what this is. Chala. Okay, so took a buy. Okay, breaking the highs. Closed 50% at this range. And 30-minute range. What time frame is this? 15-minute. Okay, yeah, there's a 30-minute previous support over here. Yeah, I see that. Yeah, I like how everyone took the same trades. If you guys have trades that you want us to review, go ahead and post them right here in the trade of the day. I mean, I'm sorry, not the trade of the day, the charts for stream channel, and we'll go ahead and take a look and review your trades here. Yeah, I think everyone can learn a little bit from everyone else's trades, especially the losers. You guys always send us the winners, which is awesome, but send us your losers. Right? Don't worry, don't be shy. We all know everyone loses. Right? Just send some losers over. Right? I don't know about you guys, but I learned the most from my losing trades. The winning trades is awesome. It's just like, oh, perfect, you know, followed plan, you know, beautiful onion. But the winners we could really dissect. That guy TK is here. All right, we are cooking now. We are cooking now, TK. What's the Discord? Just hit !Discord. There's gonna be a link that pops up for you now in the chat. Yeah, pull up in the Discord. It's a fantastic time here. Yeah, leave your trades in here. We'll take a look at them. If you can leave me some notes, that would be great. As you guys can see, these my lovely friends here leave me great notes. That way I can very easily take a look and see what's going on. Usman's in the house. What's up, Usman? What up, what up? Hey, yo, Options, congrats about last night, bro. W. What up, AB Mike? Yeah, this was the only trade that I took yesterday, which was right here, I believe. Yeah, right here. So this was my only trade I took yesterday. Very simple, same thing, kind of target tapped on the 4-hour idea. Waited for an opportunity on the 15-minute time frame. If you guys haven't seen the breakdown video yet, I did a breakdown video or a trade recap of this trade right here on YouTube. It's a quick like 7-minute video where I just very rapid fire kind of go through what we were looking at and the trade we took. But this was a good trade. You know, we were pushing up on the 4-hour. We were kind of looking into the left hand side to notice that 4-hour was running into its target and that there was still 2 hours left, right? So if the 4-hour still got 2 hours left on it and it's already hit its target, then what can we anticipate the next 2 hours, you know, doing? What can we expect to unfold, right? So that's where we started saying, okay, well, maybe we could expect a pullback here, right? And if we get some signs on the lower time frame, then that's where we can potentially plan some execution. So what we did was we looked down on the 1 hour, we looked down on the 30-minute, we got down to the 15-minute. We noticed that the 1 hour and the 1 hour, 30 and 15 all closed with no top wick here. So it was just trying to find some structure. We found it on the 15-minute time frame. If you looked left, all you would see was, you know, support right in this zone, or price coming up to the zone and just boom, driving, price coming up, driving down, coming up, driving down. So what do we see here? We see price driving up, right? And then what do we notice? No top wick. What else do we notice? 4-hour resistance, right? What else do we notice? High volume. So on top of all the support to the left, now we see this candle here closes back below the range, right? Giving us a fake out, another sign, another clue, another detail as to the idea of this 4-hour potentially pulling back. And then there you have it, you know, closure, waited for this candle to break the low, and that was the entry. That was the entry. This guy closed with no bottom wick. For those of you that weren't here yesterday, this dude closed with no bottom wick. I immediately moved my stops from here to break even. Because what do we know about bearish candles that close with no bottom wick? Right? That could be the end of the downtrend, right? That could be the end. So on a very bullish day like it was yesterday, right, this next candle that went down could have easily done something like this, and then we just could have continued marching on, right? So that's why we were BE there. Call it luck, call it whatever. I managed to stay in this trade, and yeah, closed at about 30 pips and then about 50 pips the full closure. So yeah, it was a good trade. It was a good trade. Well planned. It's a perfect example of everything that we've been talking about lately, right? It's a perfect example of that, and we'll continue to run into good examples, you know, as we continue to get more time at the desk. Time at the desk. What up, Yanosh? Good morning. Hope you're doing well. Sandman in the building. Good morning, Sandman. Yeah, if you guys want to check out our trade of the day, all you have to do is come into our Discord and just pop into that channel, and you can review all those trades. Oh yeah, that's on YouTube. So if you go to my YouTube, you'll see the you'll see the video there. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let me show you guys. Right here. This, oh damn guys, 640 views already. Okay, yeah, it's the video right here. I'll put in the chat for you. So what you can also do is everything is in a playlist as well, so you guys can go check out the playlist. And let me just add this one. Save. Yeah, so if you come over to playlist, right now there is 5 videos. 5 videos there. So yeah, you can check them all out. These are my Luke Belmar. Yeah, it's some Luke Belmar stuff. I got 21 videos in there that'll blow your mind. From Luke Belmar. Am I posting a link for the trading tournament? Yes, I'm just waiting for Top 1 to finalize a few things on their end, and then we should have the link by the end of the session here today. Yeah, it's going to be fun. Who's going to participate? That's going to be a fun. I can't wait for this. This is going to be super cool. Yeah, shout out to Scott for holding it down and keeping us up to date on all the traits. Good morning. Good morning, Angie. What direction do you see gold going in this morning? I think if we can get closures above 26, then we'll see gold make a little bit of a move up. If you end up closing below 23, you may start breaking the 4-hour lows here, and then you may see a continued push down. So we'll see. The 4-hour for the last 2.5 hours is pushed down pretty heavily. Let's see if we can get it to either continue on or pull back here. AB Mike, how was that game yesterday? My man AB Mike. AB Mike be at the soccer game. Green be at the fights. Man, y'all living good. What up, the Groom Smith? How you doing, brother? Oh yeah, that's right, TK. It's summer. It's summer, right? I forget that the kids aren't in school. Summertime. C Melly in the building. What up, C Melly? What's good? What's good? No more school buses driving around, right? Holding everyone up. Johnny's at the beach. Word. Everyone's living. Must be nice. Yeah, I think we have another post here in trade of the day. Let's take a look. I mean, charts for stream. Where'd it go? What we got here? What we got here? Looks like gold. Looks like gold buys. Is that what we got here? Gold buys. Yeah. Finally came to the conclusion that it's impossible, Jimmy. Yo, that's awesome, maybe Mike. Yeah, that's super cool, dude. Yeah, you had good seats. Looked like you had really good seats. I bet. I bet, I bet. What's up, Wags? Good morning, bro. Or good afternoon, I think. Good afternoon for you guys. Yeah. Hey, who won that game, maybe Mike? Who ended up winning that game? Yo, that Florida meetup, C Melly, we should do that after the webinar. Yeah, that's Sunday the 28th. Sunday the 28th. We should do that. We should play some golf. Who's down to play some golf? Good morning, Joshua. That's good. Yo, can you book tee times that early? I don't know. Every time I played and booked a tee time, it was like you have to do it. All you have is like a week. But I think you can, right? On that Golf Now or something. I only seen where you could book like a week out. Louis G's gonna pull up. Drop the message on Discord. All right, I'll check my messages today. I've got so many messages on Discord. I will be sure to check them today. Forgive me in my lack of response time on Discord. If it's just there's so many messages there. Pushing. So we broke the 4-hour lows again, it looks like. Broke the 4-hour lows, so guess we're gonna continue down here. I notice nowadays you focus a lot on the 15-minute time frame. Riskier approach. So, like, if I need the market structure, yeah, I'll go down to the 15, and then if there's high volume, then I'll go down to the 15. But other than that, I still love the 30-minute the best. But yeah, anytime you see how there's no structure here? Same thing on the 1 hour, just no structure. But on the 15, you have a support and resistance and a bit of a range. So that's when I'll go down and use that 15 a little bit more often. Discord link? There it is. Yeah, so we're just pushing down here, pre-New York. So I guess this is a strong support, but if you notice, there's a lot of opportunity where price has kind of wicked a little further down. So that's the tricky part about this range here. Holy. Oh, charts for stream? All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look. All right, let's see what we got here. So we have 30-minute fade. Okay, break of current candle. So daily was bullish, 4 hours bear. My idea was to catch the wick fill. Okay. With the fade in mind. Cool. Price stop, driving down and reverse, hitting my stop loss. Okay, cool. Yeah, that wasn't a bad shot there. The only thing is that is such a massive rejection that sometimes, like, it's, you know, when I was mentioning a while back where like an exhaustion wick later on becomes like a wick to fill. So I think it needed more time, right? I think it needed like some sort of price action first to kind of form in these areas like this. And then once you get like a breakout, let's say you had your ranges like that, now that becomes the wick to fill. So I think you were just a little too early on that, being that like we just rejected the downside. Right, so if we just rejected the downside, then why would price go back down now, right? So it would save that wick fill for later on, after some sort of like structure like this has been formed, and then it'll go down and target that wick. So I think you were just a little too early. I like the idea, but I think it was just still considered an exhaustion wick and not yet time to be a wick to fill, if that makes sense. Yeah. Yep. Sell. Hey, you remind me of me when I was a rookie trader. I would just, when I seen this thing going down, I'd just sell. That was my trade. What's your analysis today? I don't know. Let's take a look at the candle. Oh my God, it's driving down. Sell. No, yeah, let me delete that. That was actually yesterday's trade. Sorry about that. Let me go. Sell. Got one question for you. Buy or sell? Catch a falling knife, you get cut, man. You might get cut. I think I seen Dan here earlier. What up, Dan? Good to see you here again, man. What's up, Dylan? Morning, brother. Sailing away. It's going. Sell. All of a sudden, price just starts sailing away. Starts going back up this way. It's sailing all right. It's sailing right back to stop loss. At least that's how it went for me. What's up, Josh? Let's get to it, man. Let's get to it. Sounds good to me. I'm here to help, bro. I'm here to help you do that. What's up, Dan? How are you, man? Holy. Here it comes. 19. You had a sell closure but didn't pursue? No, so we needed a closure below here. So below this zone here. But we haven't got that yet. And the idea, if you did get a closure, would be to fill this range. So now that that range has been filled, you don't want to, just because it says sell close here now, that doesn't mean once this candle closes that we want to take a sell. because now we've basically filled the range, right, that we were looking to trade in. So now it's time to wait, right? Now the options for sells are somewhere below, closures below 2320 if you're going to look to take sells, right? Because then you got very clean candles moving down towards 14, and that would basically be the next range that you would enter in. So we'll see what happens here. We just tapped into 20, so we'll see what we do from here. Yeah, if you guys are new to our trading style, I just dropped a pretty good video called the Playbook 2.0. It's an updated version of our playbook and what we look for on a day-to-day basis. So you guys are more than welcome to check that out. It's free. It's on YouTube. It's a super in-depth, like 40-minute long video. So you guys can take advantage of that and then get a real good understanding about what we do, right? So once you understand that playbook video, then you can come here on a day-to-day basis and then start to catch on, right? You'll start to catch on to the lingo, to the ideas, and to what we do, basically rinse and repeat stuff every single day. Hey Nick, thank you that you text me an offer to give me 700 to turn into 7K and 29. Oh, nice. Yeah, let me know. Oh yeah, it's my pleasure, Cannon. Yeah, welcome in if you're new here. Welcome all the new people. Glad to have you guys here. Hopefully we can help. There's a live chat here. Don't be shy. If you have questions, just send them in. Don't be shy. Green don't bite. Oh, nice. Been here every day for the last 3 weeks. Lovely, man. Lovely. It's good to have you here. Green don't bite. If you look at Green's IG pic, that's why now you know why I keep this guy around. Right? The popularity's rising, so now I need a bodyguard. I need a security guard like Green. Come and hold it down. What's up, Nate? Welcome in, man. Richard Lewis preaching the good news here today. Amen, brother. When top one race for 200K? Top one race for 200K is, we're going to start it next week. We're just working on getting that link out for you guys. So the way it works, for those of you guys that don't know, welcome to the Time to Eat trading tournament. It's going to, first ever, it's going to go down this month in July. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be opening up a completely free open floor tryout. So all you have to do is, we'll have this link for you later on. You click this link, you register for a 100K account from Top One Trader. Top One's gonna send you the credentials of that account. You won't be able to trade it till Monday, right? Monday is where the tryout begins. So there's there could be 300, there could be 500. I don't know exactly how many of you guys are gonna go into the tryout, but let's just call it 500, right? Out of those 500, the top 32 contenders are gonna move into the game. So we're going to test your trading. We're going to have a leaderboard and all that. And we're going to see the top 32 of that, whatever number it is, let's call it 500, will go into the competition. Okay. And if you don't make it into the competition, it's all good. Top One's going to give you 50% off if you guys want any challenge. So if you guys want any challenge, you'll have like a 50% discount on any challenge. But those that do make it in, right, the 32 that do make it in, you guys will be paired up with another trader. I don't know if we're going to tell you who that trader is. We're definitely not going to tell you what that trader is doing, right? So you're not going to know where they're at percentage-wise throughout the week of the competition. You just got to play your own game, right? This is an opportunity for you to just play your own game and have some fun doing it. So basically the first week, every single week, we'll do elimination. So whoever, so once you get teamed up with what was it called? Once you get teamed up with, I don't know, who you're playing against? Whoever you're playing against, you guys will trade for a week, and at the end of the week on Friday market close, whichever one of you has the highest percentage will move on to the next week. And that's how it'll go week after week. So we'll go from 32 to 16 to 8 to 4 to the top 2. Contender. Yeah. Yep. 50% off plus the 25% bonus capital. We'll always get 25% bonus capital. Yeah, so it's going to be fun. And the winners, the top dog is going to get a 200K. The second top dog is going to get a 100K. And then third is going to get a 50K. Yeah, we might do 3 and 4, 2 25K accounts. So no matter what, when you're in the final 4, you're gonna win something. So yeah, I think that's smart, because if you make it into the final 4, you're pretty solid. Chicken contender, chicken. We got the chicken tenders. I don't think anyone's doing it. Yeah, I don't think anyone's doing this. We're gonna, we'll do it, and we'll do it 2 or 3 times, and then I'll reach out to some other traders that have communities, and we'll see if we could battle their community, right? So we'll see if the top contenders at a TTE can go against the top contenders of these other brands. Man, I haven't ate Chick-fil-A, bro, in probably a year and a half. Me no eat Chick-fil-A, man. Sir, I haven't gotten any trades from 2 days. I'm seeing wrong today and got one set up but no entry because of no wick. That's fine, bro. That's fine. That sounds like you're being a disciplined trader to me. So congratulations, the money's on the way. Yeah, stay disciplined. Stay disciplined. Don't feel like you have to participate in the markets all the time, even every day for that matter. I've had plenty of no trade days in my career. This is gonna be so dope. Yeah, it is. It is. How long is the 50% discount? So as long as you sign up to that link that we're gonna give you guys, you'll have it. So even if it takes you a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks to buy an account, you'll still have that 50% discount. All right, NY Open coming. We might have somewhat of a fade going on here. How do you trade live on TradingView with TradeOvate? Oh, keep up the good work. Yeah, I have my broker connected to TradingView now. So I think I seen one of you guys when I was watching the trade back last night. Yo, by the way, you guys are funny, man. I seen someone, he's like, man, all the trades suck here. It's like, bro, 99 trades, 20 whatever losses. What do you mean all the trades sucks here? But what was I going to say? I seen someone else comment. What was it again? Damn. Man, see, that dumb remark just threw me off. What question was I just answering? Gotta love the Quakers, man. All right, cool. So let's see what we got going on here, man. So we got the NY open. The 4 hour is really tapping into these wick zones now. The 1 hour closed bear, the 30 closed bear, 15 closed bear. We may have some opportunity on our hands here. So let's see if we can kind of make a top wick and then break the lows here. And if we can, that's where I'm going to have a potential buy stop coming up. Oh, yeah. How do you like TradingView? Yeah, the TradingView stuff. Yeah. So, yeah, someone asked like if I still use MT5, and bro, we haven't been using MT5 for like since like January. You know what I'm saying? So no, we don't use MT5. I'm using Tradeovate now. So Tradeovate is a broker, a futures broker that links right up to TradingView, like you're gonna see right here. So let's see if we can break the lows. If we can break the low, that would be just phenomenal here. I don't want to enter on this too quick because this 8 a.m. candle could be a little crazy here. So I want to see if we can come down, break the low, potentially try and fill the wick, and that's when I'm going to have a buy stop. Got to break that low though. 20-10-10. I miss MT5 too, man. I miss it too. Can you trade GJ on futures? I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. When you get the time, can you show me how to make a copy of the journal? Oh yeah, of course, brother. Absolutely. Futures Frank. Yeah, what up, Futures Frank? Good to see you. That's right. Don't miss forex too much. Okay, cool. So gonna have a buy stop here, chat. We just broke the low there. We're attempting to fill that wick. We shouldn't come up and re-break the high here. If we do, then that means that NY Open may want to throw us up here. So gonna have a buy stop on the break of the 30-minute high here. Stops are going to be kept below the wick lows here. If we don't break the low now, we should not come back down and break the low after breaking that high here. So that's what the trade is. A simple fade position. We'll see if we get it to work out. Not in the trade yet. Buy stops, activate. Buy stops, but not yet activated yet. So not activated yet. Please ignore the negative comments. Oh, is there negative I didn't even see any negative comments. What broker did I use when I was using MT5? I was using Dominion Markets, and I was also using like my forex funds and the funded trader, and you know, those guys. Over 200 ingredients in that chicken sandwich. Yup. When I eat a chicken sandwich, I want one ingredient. I want chicken. That's it. Miss me with the rest. Right, Green? Any suggestions on how to get rid of analysis paralysis? Yes. You're trying to stop trying to find certainty. You're trying not to lose money. You're trying not to lose a trade every single time you approach the desk. Me, I don't care. I don't care if I lose money. I don't care if I lose a trade. All I care is that I do a proper analysis and that I follow my plan every single day. I know that, you know, day by day, that could be completely unstable. But I know month by month, quarter by quarter, year by year, I know I'll come out on top. So you got to stop trying to avoid losses. You have to stop trying to be so certain in an uncertain environment. You will never, no matter, I don't care who you ask, no one, not one trader can ever say, hey, when I entered the trade, I knew 100% that was going to be a winner. So when you're doing over analysis and you're doing analysis paralysis stuff, what you're trying to do is say, I got to figure out, I got to get this to a point where I 100% know that this is going to be a winner, and that's never going to happen, right? Because we know that wins and losses are distributed completely randomly. Could be the best setup, best trade, best time you ever taken a trade in your life, and that trade could still be a loser. So you got to try and stop avoiding losses and, you know, losing trades, and just have fun. You know, just have fun trading the system. And that's, the system is designed to do the work for you, to get the results for you. So let's stop trying to get the results for ourselves. Yep, just systemize everything. Oh wait, where's John? I think John texted me. He might be here for some. Oh, he'll be on in 10 minutes. And that was 14 minutes ago. Is he in the chat, Zoom? I can't see anymore. I don't know what upgrade Zoom did. Yeah, he is at the beach. All right, so let's go ahead and delete these. Oh, actually, let me measure these stops. These stops still may be good. 29 pip stops. Yeah, so I need to adjust my stops here, so give me a sec, because this is still not a bad trade. And now that we broke the low, if you re-break the high, even better. Alright, cool. Alright, so I didn't delete it, I still have it, I just adjusted my stops. Execution is our edge, gang. Right? You just want to execute. He's in Zoom? All right, cool. Let's pull him up. Oh, okay, now he's there. John Stoop. The gem machine.
Yo, what's poppin', brother?
The gem spitter.
The gem spitter.
Pip
what's
getter.
goody? How you done?
How's that lounge chair lounging? You lounging?
That lounge chair is lounging, dog.
Yeah.
Yeah, we chilling.
Amazing. All right,
Yes,
I have
sir.
been activated here. So I am in. Stops are going to be kept below the lows here. TPs are going to be way up here for like 90 pips, and then we'll see if we do kind of come back into the range. That's where I'll look to go break even and then close partials. Yeah, how's it going
Yes,
today,
sir.
John? Good morning, bro.
It's going great, bro. It's a great morning. Good morning, man. How was your morning?
It was good. It was real good.
Nice.
Still going good.
Yes, sir. What's up, chat? Good morning, everyone. Happy to be back. Great to be here.
Another day, Johnny
get
Gems
to
is
it.
here.
Another day, another dollar.
Partials. Okay, cool. That's my trade. So that's my trade. So NY open, we broke the highs. We're rejecting. We pushed down, broke the low, came up, broke the high. If we re-break the low, I mean, it is what it is, right? We'll take a loss here. But so far, so good. We'll see how the trade plays out.
Yeah, stops got too big for me, so I'm gonna wait for a 15 closure, but we'll see what happens.
Nice. Yeah, well, stops are only 29 pips, so it looks big, but
I guess for
it's
the
actually not
reward,
too
I don't
steep.
like the RR.
Oh, you're looking at 23 here?
Yeah, I see 35 pips
Yeah.
too.
Yeah, this I'm not closing any partials until we get up towards like 26 here. If once we get back into this range though, if we get back into the range, I'll go break even.
What's good, chat? What's good? Another day in paradise, y'all.
How was yesterday? When are you leaving there?
Yesterday was awesome. I'm actually leaving here today. So today's my last day. Yep, cool. And then I'll be back. Be back in the office tomorrow.
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah, but last night was great, man. We actually did some more mini golfing. We also hit up the boardwalk and got some dinner. So it was a great night. Went on some rides and stuff, you know.
That's fire. Good stuff.
Yep.
15 closure coming up here in about 4 minutes. So you guys.
What's up, Buzzbad? What's good, Sam, man?
You guys are heading back today?
Yep. Yeah, today. Yeah, probably leave around like noon or something like that.
Okay, cool.
Yep.
Cool. Back to New York.
Back to New York, then Florida.
Oh, you gotta change the symbol. Yeah, you gotta put what are the symbols again? You got
I feel like me and yours are different.
Well, that's because I'm using I have both of them up. So there's two different symbols for gold. Maybe someone can put them in the chat there. There's a micro and then there's a standard one. Chola!
I hope this drives up, but I hope it waits for me.
Wait for John. I'm down to wait.
Yeah, you'll wait, right? What's 4 more minutes gonna do? A couple more minutes. Yeah, there. Yep. Hey, 3 minutes for 15 closure. Either way, though, it's just another trade, y'all. This is what we do. Trade. What's good, TK? What's good, YOLO Trader? What's up, Gotta Trade? What's good, Louis G? What's up, Swift Jaden? What's good? I hope you guys are having a great day. You already know the vibes. Another day, be patient and disciplined and follow our plan. Also, let's have great risk management and let's think in probabilities. And most importantly, praise Jesus. Let's go. Another day.
Yeah.
What up, Dominic? LSG, what's good? What's up, Purpose? What's up, Miko? Goodie. What up, Nate? Yo, chat, anyone take any trades, London? What's good? London or Asian? I was trading Asian. I didn't see anything. But was sleeping for London. It's good, Davey Pete. It's good, Dropout Trader. We believe in gold. We believe in it. Can you explain what strategy you entered based on your book? Candlesticks. We just trade candlesticks here.
No, this was a fade. This was the fade position. The fadey fade.
Or the fade.
Let's see if the fade fades today.
Still candlesticks.
Probability game. Probability game.
Probability game, yes, sir.
What's up, YOLO Trader? What's good? Hey, not the boot camp, the webinar here. So some of you guys have been to our old boot camps, or not our old boot camps, but our recent boot camps that we did last year. So this webinar is going to be very similar to that, but it's going to be more geared towards like technical analysis. So if you guys are interested in the technical side of things, that's what we're going to be covering mainly. It's probably going to go like 2 to 2.5 hours per day. Took nothing in London. London. What's up, Clayway? That's what I'd be calling Clay from Top One. Clayway.
Clayway. It's Treyway. Yo, Louis G, bro. That's like a 3-hour ride for me right now.
Ooh, Doji. Really weak Doji closure here on the 15th.
I know. Yeah, I'm not getting in with that closure.
Yeah, if you're not in already and you don't want to get in, don't get in. It's a good weak bearish closure, though.
That's true. Looks like more rejection to the downside for sure.
Turn up the volume. Yeah, turn it up. We should call it the fadeaway. Yeah, I'm trying to get Mike Breen on here too for the step back for 3, bang. Once we hit TP on these trades, we'll get the bang.
Yeah, facts. Every time we hit a trade, get that man on going.
The step back for 3. We should call it the step back. Step back.
Ooh, I like that too.
Nah, we already made the playbook video, man. It's already in stone.
You called it the fadeaway, right? There?
The fade.
Yeah, oh yeah, the fade.
The fade. What up, Lights Fire? Good morning, bro. Good to see you. Happy Tuesday.
What's up, Lights Fire?
Since we're ballers. Oh, I like that. It's got a nice little tone to it.
Back. We are ballers.
Lights fire, lights fire. Drop out trader. I could picture him right now. Head to the sky, feet on the ground, trying to push gold up. The fade, if I'm not mistaken, we have almost 40 trades. So we've got almost 40 trades. We're up. We've won like over 35 of them. So we're really starting to get up there in our data collection with the fade, and we're gonna continue. Really, I would say by the time the webinar hits, we'll have a really good amount. We should have like 60, possibly even more setups to look at the collection of, and we'll be doing, gang. We'll be doing a big, like, normally I do this stuff by myself, but we'll be doing a big like data review during that webinar as well. So it's gonna be good. And the goal is to not only so you guys can see the data, but so you can see what I typically do behind the scenes when it comes to, you know, collecting data and understanding it and reading it and taking it for what it's worth. Once we break the highs, would you go break even? No, I'm gonna go B once we tap into 2320, or I'm sorry, 2323. The difference between the onion and the fade is that the fade, you don't wait for the support. So if we're looking at an onion, right, let's just say you have a bearish candle here, it closes, right? So the onion would normally be us waiting for a support to form, right? So we wait for that support, and then we go ahead and take a buy off of that support. Where the fade is a little bit different, and in order for the fade to really be there, it's got to be tapping into some sort of targets to the left hand side. So let's just say that yellow box is a target on the higher time frame, and now the lower time frame is beginning to tap into it as well. So the fade is, instead of waiting for the support to form, we're just going to enter off of the high, right? So as this candle flips up, boom. So now we're not waiting for the support, we're potentially being in it for that support, because the one thing we noticed is when we were waiting for the onion during a high volume time, the support would never print the way we wanted it to. The support would print and it would do something like this, right? So it would be all the way up here like that, and we wouldn't have a chance to take our position at that point. So that's where the difference lies. All right, I'm going to go break even here, chat. So I'm going to go break even on this trade and make it risk-free. I think we're sitting about 14 pips in profit, and then we'll see if we can get it to run. Yeah, we're tapping into 23 there, so we don't want to play with that area. That's where we can potentially reject and, you know, start pushing back down. But if we do push up through there, then I believe, you know, 26 is our next point of touch. The tickets will be released today. Yeah, we should be able to have everything done by the time the stream ends for the webinar. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. We working. When would be a good time on this trade to reduce risk and move stop up? Right here. So as you tap into that support level, that may be where we reject. So I don't want to close any partials there yet, but I do want to go break even. So now I got no risk. I'm 14 pips up and playing with the house's money here. Not playing with any of my own money now. Whew. You know what I mean? That's when you can take a nice deep breath. I will no longer lose $800 on this trade.
Must feel good.
Yeah, so we got to push through here. If we can start pumping through here, you may tap into these wicks and all that stuff. Did I set my partials up yet? Not yet. Let me set partials here. Boom, sell. Okay, cool. All right, cool. So we'll see what happens. The relief of BE. Let's see. Close 50. Nice, Chala. Nice. Yeah, you guys can also close. Like one thing, I'm just working on holding a little bit longer to ideal targets here. But just because I'm still in, you know, we're 28 pips up here. So if you guys want to close it up. Did I take it on top one? Yes. Yeah, thanks for reminding me. You guys didn't remind me today. So yeah, that could have been our 820 push there to tap in there. So we'll see. We could reject here now. Right, but I'm totally cool with break even. We could reject, and that's the reason why this is that area in which we go break even.
That was definitely a 20 push.
Yep, 820 push up. Have I ever considered trading silver? No, never. Never. I had a friend who I was working with for a little bit. He was trading silver. But I don't know. I just, something about gold. I just have a lot of experience with gold at this point, and I just like gold. Gold's my pair. Full margin on this one. Yeah, why'd you guys risk so little? You should have went full margin here. All right, 4 minutes and a closure is coming up here. 30 closure looks good on the 30. 15 looks pretty good. So we'll see. John did say go full margin. Yep, he did.
Of course.
Oh, what time you guys heading out, John?
I think around like 1 or something.
1?
Yeah.
Nice. And
Yep.
how far is the ride?
It's like 3 hours.
Dope.
Yep.
3 hours and back home.
3 hours, chat. I'm happy to drive.
He's got a ride ahead of him.
Yep, I do.
That's the worst, when you go on like a quick little vacay and you drive, and then you gotta drive back.
I know, dude. That's the worst. And then you got all your stuff too to pack and unpack, you know.
You drive there, you're like, let's go, we lit, road trip. Ride back, you're like, this is gonna suck.
Yeah, bro.
Did I stop
So
trading
we'll try to
NAS?
make it 2
Pretty
hours.
much. Don't speed, Johnny, don't speed.
Yeah, Dominic, sad. It's just sad looking out the window.
Yeah, you're just driving, looking, staring at, especially when you're like a kid in the back seat, you're like, this sucks. Imagine your mom or dad, they're the one driving.
Right. At least it's not like freaking 6 hours.
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
Nah, 3 hours ain't too bad. Right, hero of the day, it's a hop, skip, and a jump away, man.
Yo, Chala, what's good, bro? You're that's pretty funny. Maybe just my tip is don't use shampoo every day. And comb your hair every day.
Take care, brush your hair. Take care, brush your hair.
You gotta brush your hair every day.
Where's my boy Joey Stu? Joey Stu out here today?
No word. Is Joey Stu in the chat?
I haven't seen him yet.
I don't know.
Shampoo, shampoo who? Shampoo who? 39 seconds here for a closure. Let's see how we close on the 15. If we close like that, we may have a shot at surviving the next candle's bottom wick, but I may get tapped out at break even. We'll see. We'll see. I'm for a small bottom wick here and a push up. Push up. We're talking push ups.
Push this, please.
Did a 7. Hey, I did a 24-hour ride, straight shot. Straight shot.
Yeah, bro.
Florida to
First
New York.
ride to Florida.
Oh yeah, I'm out.
Straight,
I'm out
yeah.
at break even here. Yep. All good. Yeah, good trade. We knew it would come into this area, so I think we got 28 pips. Yeah, W. Yeah, I had to drive from. I drove from Miami to New York in one shot, man. One shot, no sleep.
I remember that shit.
4 a.m. to 4 a.m. Everything fell since my mom stopped applying oil to my hair. Oh my gosh. Oh man.
Oh man, oh man. What kind of oil, man? What kind of oil were you using?
He's using that. What kind of oil your mama using, Charlotte? WD-40? WD-40. Yeah, best travel. Yeah, I tried to dip out. I think it was like 3 in the morning, so try and catch like those couple hours.
Yeah, and that was a full 24-hour ride. That was wild.
Damn, straight shot from North Carolina to LA. Holy.
Ooh. Damn.
Yo, nah, that's crazy. How long is that trip? That's like, isn't that like 3 days?
Bro, right?
I needed that payout.
Yeah, bro. How long was that, man? That's crazy.
For real. Alright, so we did get support formed here on the 30-minute time frame. So everything actually looks pretty good to continue moving up here. I think we just BE was hit. Other than that, the direction still looks pretty valid here.
Yeah, I'm in the buys right now. 4-hour pullback too.
Yeah. Yeah, I may be open to giving this a second shot here. Yeah, I think I'm down to give this a second shot here on the break of the highs. Yeah, we got a nice support formed. Should be good to fill the wick. Will I re-enter? Yeah, I think I'm gonna have some buy stops in the break of the highs here. We should see that 4-hour pull back.
Smart man. I think it looks pretty good. 830 wick fill. If it doesn't want to do that, probabilities.
Yeah, you know what? I'm actually not going to do this. I'm actually not going to do this, and I'm going to wait on the 4-hour closure here. If it drives here, it drives, whatever. Yeah, because this 4-hour, I don't want us to get wicked in, and then this 4-hour candle here has plans to close below the range. Like this. So I'm just gonna hang tight. But this could certainly drive now, for sure. Something about this I'm not feeling. Full margin.
Mm. Three, two, one, blast off.
3, 2.
I like how I can hear Zoom though.
Yeah, you can hear it, right?
Yep.
Yeah, there you go. Yes, sir. Glit. Mods put you in timeout for saying coconut oil is good for your hair. Damn, mods. Hey, sometimes the mods get gully.
Hey, Davey P, I had a couple. I'd like to.
He had a couple slices.
Nah, the boardwalk pizza be hitting. Right, Nick?
It does. I haven't had it in a long time, but honestly, pizza used to be my favorite food. Now it's like, eh. It's not like
yeah, of course. When I got back,
good old ribeye.
Yeah, I feel that too. I still gotta hit up my favorite barbecue spot in New York too. Haven't done that yet.
BBQ?
Yes, sir. You already know. Bailey's. You know the vibes. Nah, Davey P. I've had pizza before I came to Jersey, so I'm pizzaed out. You already know how to get some in New York when I first got there.
Hey, they got a solid. Actually, there's a pretty solid place right by my crib here. It's literally like 2 minutes down the road, but yeah, it's pretty good. It's not.
At least it's good, you know.
It's good, but it's not New York good.
The New York pizzerias are just different, bro. Like, maybe the food may not be that different, but like inside the pizzerias and how they operate is different. For sure.
Channel activity says you were never placed on timeout. Hey.
Stop the cap.
Stop the cap.
Up to you got flights, freaking voice. That's hilarious. Flight team stand up.
Oh my gosh. Hero of the day. Facts.
Nah, Davey P, bro. I know what you mean, though. That Jersey pizza goes crazy.
My wife doesn't listen to Beyonce, man. Praise the Lord.
Amen. Thank God.
We could have moved stops to the previous low. Yes, of course. Yep. Yeah, you could have went from stops here to stops below the low here. Time him out for lying. No lying. Oh, this not on this account. He got 2 accounts. Hey, did you like the stream on both accounts, man? Please. Please, man. Like it up.
Like.
White pizza's gas.
Yeah, bro. Especially down here at the boardwalk, Jersey.
White pizza's so fire.
That's like my favorite down here. Like when I go to the boardwalk, get a white. Oh, yeah. Damn.
There's your wick fill, John.
My TP just got ripped.
I am.
Damn, man.
Let's see.
Chat, my TP just got smoked.
I'm still in on top 1, but I'm still not gonna close. I'm gonna wait for that target.
Let's go, purpose. Good stuff,
Yeah,
Purpose.
beautiful trade. Beautiful trade here.
I was gonna go BE, but I didn't even notice. Just juice it up.
Yeah, I'm not gonna close. I'm just gonna hang on to this and see if we can move up here.
Chad, that's 2-0 on the vacay. Let's go.
2-0 on the vacay. Did you pay for the vacay or not yet?
Dude, my trading just paid for the vacay. We
How you
Gucci.
doing? Let's go. Push, gold. Push. Yeah, I think we just got tapped at BE there. No, we went pretty low. All right, yeah, if we could push through here, that'd be great.
Yeah, I'm fully out. Fully out. Good stuff, Purpose. Way to catch that.
I'm gonna hang on here because I was already up here on this trade here on top one. So if we can push up further, I'll probably close partials around 26.
Yeah, put some more risk on that too, Nick.
Nice, beautiful. Beautiful. Go. Yeah, we gotta push through these wicks. See these wicks here? This is our issue, right? We came into it first, so if we can pop through there, that'd be great. But I don't want to. I'm still in on one account. I don't want to close here because we've already been here. But once we make our way up towards 26, that's where I'm gonna close some. Yeah, I haven't been putting any stops on my top one account. I've just been market executing there because I'm only able, so I have a 200K account with them, but I'm only able to trade like 4 lots. So for me to risk 1%, it's going to take a while, right? It's going to take a good amount of distance for me to even tap into negative 1%. So that's why I've just been freely trading that account and letting things breathe. And you know, sometimes I'll close on my personal, but that one will come back around and hit profits. And that's a fully funded account, so I'm open to just letting that one run in profits and securing a fat payout on this one.
Yeah, I dig that.
Top one respects the margin a lot. Yeah, honestly, I like that because, bro, I'd be trading 20 lots.
Learn.
Like, if that was on me and they didn't do that, I'd be sitting here in 20 lots deep right now. So that's where I would have probably managed. But being that I'm only opening 4 lots at a time, chilling.
No, yeah. Top one really looks out for you in that way, for sure.
Yeah.
I really like that about them.
So if we do push up, yeah, entry sitting like right here. That would be about 48 pips. Let's see. Run, run, run. My fingers on the trigger. Fingers on the trigger. Yeah, this is actually the account that I'm
stuff,
really
Billy.
working on, like holding long with, because again, it's a, you know, it's an account that I don't necessarily need, but it's fun to have it, right? And it's a 200K, so you can get some large payouts. I got stopped out on break even, yeah, but I have another account that I'm still in on. So this is where I will close partials if we get there. Here, I'll get all that out of the way so it doesn't confuse anyone.
Yeah, I've seen a little bit of drawdown too on that as well, but all goody. Part of the game.
Push.
Nah, the boardwalk prices though, Nick, is crazy. Like, low-key ripoff.
All right, I'm closing full right here. 2 seconds left on the candle. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out on top one too. So good trade.
So what'd you get? B on your personal?
B on the first one, B on the personal, and then whatever this was with top one. I think it was probably around like 42 pips. All right, so the 4-hour candle has 15 minutes left on it here. So we'll see what happens. We could still continue pushing up, right? As this 4-hour candle may want to keep pulling back now. But yeah, I got B on one account, and then just closed on that other account. So we'll see. We're at resistance now. Let's just mark these ranges off here because we got resistance here. We have support here, and that's kind of where we're at now as we wind down on the 4-hour candle here. We got some news.
We got 9:30 news, right?
Yeah, 9:30. Yep.
Damn.
But beautiful. We called the spot for the pullback, and that's what counts the most. So whether we get B, whether we close profits, we understood the idea, we understood the move, and it played itself out perfectly. To the T.
At least we got a trade in before 9:30, since there's news.
Yeah, that's true. What up, Shetty? Shetty in the building.
It's good, Shetty.
Yeah, so this 4-hour now can pull back pretty heavy. So we'll see. Next 15 could definitely push, but I'm out. If you guys are still in, I'd close partials, at least close partials here. I closed my full position here on top one. So I didn't leave a run or anything.
Yeah, I got my piece and I'm out.
All right, give me a sec. I'll be right back.
Hold on, chat. Yeah, good trade. Shout out everyone who caught it. Nice. Rinse and repeat. Literally, we do the same thing every single day. Same concepts, y'all. Yeah, chat. So when I went to the boardwalk, the prices were wild, honestly. It was definitely worth it. It was a great experience. Had a great time. Had a lot of fun. But be ready to pay, man. Like, you're hitting up the boardwalks and stuff at the Jersey Shore. I know some of y'all who've been there know what I'm talking about. Let's go, Dominic. Good stuff. Way to catch that, man. Oh my God, CK. I could just imagine, bro. The rent probably goes really crazy. Hey, good stuff. Armor of God. Good stuff, man. Hey, you're welcome, Enzo. You're welcome. Ooh. Cannon. I worked over 55 hours every week for over 4 years in construction and told myself, if I make 500 today, I'm going part-time, and you hit 496. Oh man, hey, you know best, bro, of yourself. You know, it's your journey. When you feel confident to do that, when you feel confident to go part-time, do it. When you feel confident to go full-time trading, do it, man, you know. But yeah, I like that. I like the idea of setting out a plan on how you're about to do it, you know. I think that's very important. Like, if you're trying to leave your job, set out a plan on how that's about to go down. Feeling bad, got B 2 days in a row, and price hit TP. Hey, Harshal 111. It's all good, man. That's part of the job is trading, man. Understand you know, my profession, my chosen profession in life is to day trade. And I understood that, hey, break-even days are going to come along. There's going to be days where I lose money. There's going to be days where I make money, you know, and there's going to be days where I don't get paid at all. It's just understanding the pros and cons that come with the job, because no matter the job's going to have pros and cons, right? So setting your expectations up right and your actions to, you know, to understand what comes with the job is major key, man. But hey, man, harsh, it's happened to me plenty of times, bro. Where I've had a couple BE days in a row. You know, it's just how the market was moving those days. But hey, man, it's all good. All we have to do as traders, let's keep it simple, right? No matter the outcome of our trades any day, all we have to do, our only job is to execute on our edge every single day. That's it, right? I used to overthink it too. Like, oh, damn, like I'm down 5% of my account. Like, what do I do? Do I have to change something? Do I have to switch something up? And the answer is no. Keep executing on the edge, bro, right? Because we operate, professional traders operate the same way a casino does, right? We will get that right back by executing on the next trade with edge, right? The more people that go into the casino, the more money they're going to lose and the more money the casino is going to make, right? In the same way, the more trades we take that is aligning with our edge, the more trades will win. So it's the same methodology as the casino, bro, but you got to understand that, right? And you got to be responsible with your actions. But yeah, man, no matter what your outcome is, just keep executing on that edge and you'll get it right back. And trust me, like, it's happened to me plenty of times. There's been days where I lost 2%, right? And the next day I got 4%, right? There's been days where I lost 4% and got 2% back the next day, you know, and you'll make it right back. Money is never meant to stay stagnant, right? It's meant to flow. It's meant to move up and down. And we're always making higher highs and higher lows with our money, right? And that's major key. But it's sometimes you got to lose 4% to make 10, right? It's part of the process of trading. And yeah, just keep executing, bro. Those are my best piece of tips.
Bingo. Good stuff. Thank you, Nikki, for the dono. Thank you yesterday too. I guess I missed you yesterday, but I seen it when I was watching the trade again later on that night. Appreciate your donos, man. Thank you. Thanks everyone for the donos. Price is pumping.
Damn, people are still holding. That's crazy. Good stuff.
Hey, I'm debating here. Do I put this BE or do I put it as a W? BE on my regular account, W on the funded account. Well, W idea. What do you guys think? Let's make a poll. Did
you not take partials on your personal?
Nah, not on my personal.
Oh, okay. Shit.
No. Personal got hit BE. Top 1 got 40 pips. Idea played out. What do y'all think? I hate putting BE. Meanwhile, I just made $1,400 bucks. You feel me? On my other account.
They all put BE.
Let's start a poll.
That's up to you, bro. I don't know.
Oh yeah, we could do that. We could do 1 BE, 1 win. Duh. Screw the poll.
Yeah, so.
Thank you, Billy. $212. Holy. It's getting hot in here. It's getting hot now. Now we cooking at 212, chat. There's a big difference from 211. Oh, 100th win, by the way. How you doing? Hey, chat, there's a big difference from 211 to 212.
You should get.
Now we cooking.
You should get $100 stake for the 100th win today.
Put him as 2 trades. 100th win, W. 100th win of the year. So right now we got about almost an exact 70% win rate on the year. Still plenty of year to go. W. So I guess the The 30th L is gonna have to wait.
30th L is gonna have to wait.
Yep. Fade is fading here today, chat. Holy. Yeah, we pushed through this, which was really what we needed to do. We're at the halfway mark of the year. That's right, we are. A little bit more than halfway, yo. Green, you still holding? Green holding. $100 wins. Holy, would you look at that? Just look at it.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the card.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
Shout out to Zoom, can hear that now. John, let me know when you want me to unmute you. Just tell me. Just talk to me when you want to. No. How long have I been trading? I've been trading since 2019. 2019. I also dabbled a little bit in like binary options in like 2018. But I think I really started taking it serious in 2019, moving in late 2019, moving into 2020. How old was I? 29. 29 years old. 29 years young. Binary, boy. Yo, binary options was insane, right? The way that worked is if you took a sell, you just had to, so like, let's say like, they would give you like this target like this. So price didn't move like the way you see it moving like this, right? It moved like this. So like, they would give you this little finish line joint right here, and you would set your trade up. So you would say, hey, I want to buy gold. Right, I want to buy XAU, what the heck, Nick Stewart, what are you doing, bro? XAU, and I want to bet $300 that by the time we get to this white line, price will remain underneath this purple line here. So the way it would work is this thing would just be like, doom, 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 and yo, it was insane. Normally what would happen is you would be like right down here, all of a sudden about a hit, shoop, boom, and you get stopped out. That's how that works. You're like, all right, you start rubbing your hands like Birdman, and then boink. Look at that. You see the gap right there? That's how you lose. And then you say, well, would you look at that?
Would you look at that?
And no lie, it was fast too. It was like, yeah, it was fast. You could be down all the way down here, and then literally like a second before, it just gives this huge jump up and stops you out. I'm like, nah, the game's rigged. I'm out. Actually, me and my brother Joe took like 1,000 to like 6,000 doing that once. But then we lost it all. Yeah. Look up binary options, man. It was crazy. It's crazy. I'm like, I don't want to do that anymore. I want to trade with that MT5 thing. Or MT4 was the big one then.
Yo, who's still holding? It's crazy.
I'm out. Yeah, I had to close here because my plan was to close partials right here. So I had to do it.
Yeah. Sure. Without foul plan.
But then we lost it all. Yes, we did. Yeah, Derek, that's what I'm trying to actually do, because some of my trades now I've been taking on top one. Some of them I've been only taking on my personal account. Some of them I've been taking on Bolt. So yeah. All right, so we got a 4-hour closure. Let's go ahead and do a fresh top-down analysis, and let's see what it is that we got going on here. So welcome everyone. Give the stream a like if you haven't liked the stream as you settle in today. Let's do a fresh top-down analysis here, giving a look at gold. So let's see, what is the 4-hour up to, right? So the 4-hour now has closed bearish, right? But we closed above the support level, right? So we came down just like the rest of these wicks. We tried to come on down and see if we can continue pushing. We failed to do that multiple times at this point, right? So let's just keep that in mind. Although we are bearish on the 4-hour and you do have a wick fill ahead of you, let's just keep in mind that this is a major rejection zone, and you know, we could come down and retap that zone again, but let's keep that in mind here. So taking a look at the 1-hour, you have a new support, right? So support level right here on the 1-hour time frame. Below that is super clean. So if I am going to go short here based off of the 4-hour, I really don't want to do it until the wick breaks, right? Because this wick is right here, right? So unless we can come up and tap into this resistance, right, and create some sort of new resistance, then I cannot take these sells, right? We need some sort of a potential, I would say, like fake out, or you know, some sort of a closure below here, and maybe a resistance formed, or we may run into like the fade idea where we could say, okay, the 4-hour closed bear, and now this right here is the 4-hour creating a top wick. So if that's the 4-hour top wick, then that's where we could potentially take our sells to come down and fill this range, aka fill this wick to the left hand side right here. So that's the idea for the sells. If I am going to take buys, yeah, buys are tough until you get back above, I would say 38 here. 38. Yeah, it's a little tough. A lot of action right here, so that's going to be tough to take those buys, but sells I'm definitely open to. And then the other way I take buys is if we come back down to where we bought from before, right? So if this candle barely makes a top wick, drives down, we don't take that position because we didn't get the resistance that we needed, right? Then what we could do is we could look for buying opportunities down in this range again to move back up. But for now, I'm going to look for potential fake outs around 31 here. Yeah, because ultimately we want to see fake out for sells. Ultimately we want to see the 4-hour make a top wick and drive down, right? That's the idea here, but we will see. Yeah, it's a little tough. We're in a very tough spot right now. So we're back in this kind of no trade range here and not looking the prettiest with where we currently stand. The only other thing I'm seeing here as well is that if you close back below, I would say these ranges here, you may be good to push down and fill that wick. So I'll keep an eye on this range here. It's 23.26 if you guys want to keep an eye on it as well. But yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens here. So let's just let this 4-hour candle open up a bit and see what it wants to do.
Yeah, let's let price give us some more information.
Lots of commotion in the ocean. Word. Yeah, my one thing here with the 4-hour though is, again, where did we close, right? We closed below the range, or above the range there. So that's the thing. And then there's a lot of rejections down here. So Yeah, like I said, I think the sells are better if we can kind of push down into this area down here, right? If we mark that off, that's going to be... Yeah, so if we can get a new support right there, then I'll be open to taking buys because now we got a clean range ahead of us, right? But until that happens, the buys are a little tough right here.
Yeah, after that big move up, for sure.
What advice would you give to yourself at 18 years old? Believe in yourself and know that anything is possible. Anything. If I knew anything was possible, I would have been successful way earlier in life.
Yeah. Yeah, facts, bro.
Yes, lights fire. I definitely recommend coming to the webinar. So this webinar is going to be, if you're new, we're going to touch on some things very briefly on day one, but this webinar is really to share with you guys more so technical skills, a lot of the things that I've been cooking up behind the scenes, a lot of the things that we've been kind of sharing with you guys on the live stream as well, just to have a very in-depth talk about this. We're going to do a complete sample size review of all of the fade positions taken. We're going to do that together, so that way you guys can see the proof in the pudding, and that'll build confidence in you, and really just everything else that's kind of clicked for me over the last, I would say, 4 or 5 months that has significantly and drastically changed a bit of the record, especially when it comes to more execution and more trades taken. So we're going to go over a lot of things in this webinar. Oh, it looks like the webinar seats are open too. Okay, cool. My bad, TK. I didn't see. I guess. Yeah. So yeah, go ahead and grab your seat. So the seats are available now. There's unlimited seats, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. I'm looking forward to it. All the boot camps have been so special. Yeah, man.
Pay the fee.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna really, like, at that point, I'm hoping to have like at least 60 fade positions, so we can review them all together, and it's gonna be fun. Let me see. What is it? How's it look on the website? Let's take a look. Yeah, if you guys want, you can click the link in that Nightbot spitting out, or you can come right here on the website, timetrading.com, and you'll see it right here, webinar. So we're going to do it on July 27th. It's going to start at around 8:30 a.m. and we're going to go to about 10:30 a.m. So right around New York Open till, you know, about an hour and a half from right now. But we do have news coming in here at 9:30, so let's see what happens. I'm gonna book my ticket, but I'm not sure I can make both days. Will I be able to access? Yeah, so all the so both days will be recorded. Even if you can't make either day, but you just want the recording, just get yourself a ticket, and then after the webinar is done, you'll have the recording in your inbox. That's if you attend it, or even if you don't attend it. Either way, you're gonna have you'll have the recordings. Are there unlimited tickets? No, there are limited tickets and limited time only. Go grab your tickets right now. Run. Nah. Yeah, it's going to be unlimited. Unlimited. We'll probably shut it the day before the boot camp. The challenge? Yeah, that link should be to us hopefully before we end the session today. Yeah, give me some time. The top one's working on that link right now with Match Trader, so just give them a few, and then once they send it over to me, I'll send it out to you guys. This could be a fade on the 30. Yes, for sure. All right, 15 closure in 4 minutes. We have news too, so I'm probably gonna sit tight and wait on that, and then see where we fall.
Yeah, I know. Of course, news at 9:30. What kind of the heck is that? You know, what's that about?
Is it good for newbies? Yeah, the first half of the first day may be a little basic for more of the experienced traders, but I do want to go through quickly the playbook and a couple different concepts that maybe most of us are used to before we get to the more like experienced ideas. So if you're brand new or if you're an experienced trader, this webinar is going to be for you. So yeah, I look forward to seeing you all there. It's going to be a fire time. How many weeks of trading before we select the 32 traders? 1 week. Yeah, 1 week. Yeah, we got exciting things happening, man. We got the Time D Trading Tournament. We also have the webinar coming up that's been highly demanded by you guys. So, yeah, this is going to be a fun month here for us. What up, Alan Forex? Good to see you, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, it is.
Closed enrollment? No, we closed enrollment for the elite program, not for anything else. Yeah. All right, let's be patient here. 2 minutes left on the 15. We got 17 minutes left on the 30-minute candle. We also have that news coming in here, so we just got to be patient for a few minutes. How to identify potential fake outs? So you got to look at the higher time frame direction. You know, and if you're going against both higher time frame candles, that's typically when I will wait for what we like to call a range 2 breakout, right? So if both the higher time frames, meaning the 4-hour candles and the daily candles, are bullish, if we close below here, I don't want to take this sell, because if both time frames are bullish and we're getting a bearish closure, that's typically where you'll get the fake out, right? And this candle may drive down a little bit too, break the lows, and then that's typically where the fake out will happen, and price will start to move in the 4-hour and in the daily bias after stopping traders out with this fake out right here. Fake out right here. Yeah, we'll be talking about that on the webinar too. Range 1, range 2. Yeah, I really want to share with you guys a lot. I've been learning a lot on how to use the 4-hour candle here. So I want to really create some sort of a clean cut bias. So that's one of the biggest things we're going to talk about in the webinar. But we need time, right? I need like at least an hour, 35 to 45 minutes at least, to talk about these things and talk about them in depth. On the stream, you hear me, but I say it in like passing by, I'll talk about it, then we'll stop, and we'll talk about it. So we need a full hour of like straight attention to these things. Yeah, man, we're pushing. What platform do I use for top one? I use TradeLocker. Just signed up for the, oh nice, let's go, Born God Slayer. Let's get it. Yeah, if you think the value is here, just wait till you catch me on a webinar or bootcamp. We're in the zone.
Goes crazy.
I take a lot of pride in teaching, so I love teaching. So I'm gonna have everything prepared for you guys, and it's gonna be a great time. The elites know I love teaching, love getting in the mode. Where them elites at?
That's that go mode.
How much is the webinar? The webinar is gonna be $70. 70 USD. Yeah, wait till you guys hear in depth of what I've been, really how I've been able to use the 4-hour. You guys are seeing me do that, right? But I really want to really conversate and do some teaching on it. Let's say the 1 hour close bullish with top wick. Could this be a 1 hour onion? 1 hour. Yeah, the only thing with that white shark is look how big this 1 hour candle is, right? So this is a massive 1 hour candle. So to take buys over here, well, this is something that we learned last year, where a lot of times this is going to be just a little bit too overextended. So what we want to see is we want to see like a new range, either on the 15 or the 30 minute, that says, okay, we're planting supports above here, therefore we should continue up to fill this range, right? But that's not happening just yet. So that's why I don't like taking the buy off of this technically 1 hour onion, right? Because that was the 30-minute onions move right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, leveled up the first 2 boot camps. Yeah, wait for this one, because this one's strictly technical analysis. Last time I only had an hour with you guys, so it wasn't as much as I would like, because we have to obviously keep on a good timing, and don't want to make you guys sit for too long. But there was also Sam came through and blessed us with fundamentals. Rafi came through, blessed us with like these mindfulness activities, right, to implement off the charts, so that way you're a little bit more composed on the charts. But I really do specialize in the mentality and the technicals of what we do here. So I can't wait to have at least like 2 hours, 2.5 hours with you guys straight. It's gonna be it's gonna be fire. It cost £1 of sterling.
Fun.
And watch out for all the fake Nick Stews. Thanks, Energy. They're going to be selling you webineer tickets. Hey, you want to come to our webineer? Where is it? It's going to be on Zoom on July 27th. I think you could hit !webinar and the link will pop up for you. Yeah, so we want to pay attention here to 26 now. So is this going to be, where the support is formed to continue going up, and this 4 hour actually breaking the highs and moving up, or will we actually close below and maybe see a move back down here towards 2320? Oh, nice. You attended the boot camps? Oh, cool. Dope. That's fire. My best investment has been in Nick. Whoa. Hey, no, that was an investment in you.
Yeah, your best investment is in you.
Yeah, you invested in you. Yeah. But yeah, no, thanks, Traders X. I had, me and Traders X, for those of you that don't know, Traders X is an elite member. One of the top elite members, in my opinion, in terms of coachable, right? Someone who's coachable and someone who's a good student and doesn't want to make more mistakes than he has to, right? So he can get the job done. Yeah, man. Big W, bro. I've enjoyed my time with you too, man.
Good stuff, Traders X. Heard a lot of great things about you, bro. Keep up the good work.
Yeah. Nick Stew FX. Yo. Careful, man. Nick Stew FX is coming for
futures. Yeah, right.
The only I'll put the link in the announcements section in the Discord as well. That way you guys can check, make sure you got the right link and not getting scammed by Nick Stu FX. All right, so yeah, news coming up here. A few minutes. Why'd I stop trading NAS? I just it was a new pair to me. It was during a time where I was going through a losing streak, and I just called it quits on it. Yeah, that was back here in, I think the last trade we took on NAS was in, February. So yeah, this was my worst month of probably the last couple of years. Was early on this year, and I could have easily let this month get me down and cause me to throw away the rest of the year. And I think I said this during that time, was don't let 1 month ruin the next 10, right? This was February, there was still 10 months left, and I was trying to tell you guys, look, you're gonna run into losing streaks, like you're gonna run into red days and red weeks. It's part of the game, right? I know no one else is gonna tell you that, because they want to hook you up with that super duper copy trader that has a 100% win rate. But I'm here to tell you that, I'm here to tell you that you are going to take losses. You are going to go through hard times as you get better as a trader. It's not going to happen as often, but it's still going to happen, right? So the last time we traded NAS was up here on February 2nd, and they were both losers, and I was a bit pissed and just threw NAS and GJ and got him out of here. Tell them, get out of my face. I don't want them looking at my cards. I don't want them even looking at my dice. So yeah, I got rid of them, and that was it. But
I don't even want to hear the word NAS.
Yeah. But going back to that, don't let 1 week or 1 day or 1 month really ruin the next 10 months, right? And that goes for everything, chat. Like, you could have a little argument with your wife in the morning, or husband in the morning. Don't let that argument ruin the rest of the day. Or maybe it's a friend, or maybe it's something that happened with your kid, or maybe you failed a test, or whatever it is, right? Like, let's not give things more attention than they really need, right? Let's learn from things, and then let's move on, right? And this is the result of when you learn, right? So we started getting hot. We still kind of hit a couple losses in March, but April we started to turn up, right? We started turning things up. Had a really good run right out the gate in April, all the way towards like the 22nd, and then I think we took 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 losses in April. The rest were all W, and that's where we started building up momentum, right? Now you see May started flying up, had a really good month in May. June, just incredible month here, and now we're in July. So imagine if I would have let February jip me out of the rest of my year, right? That wouldn't have been wise of me. And you know what? That actually did scare a lot of people away, right? A lot of people did stop quitting because they had a bad month in February. But there ain't no quitting us, gang. No quit.
Facts. Yeah, we always want to be proactive and not reactive, right? We always want to be in control of our situation and not let our situation control us, right? So being in full control of you and your whole situation is going to be major key also. Let's be proactive. Because Nick, you were proactive, bro. You were in control of that situation. A lot of people would have let that month screw them up for all the rest of the months, But since you were in control, you got the reality, or you got what you wanted, right? You got the outcome that you wanted because you were in control and you took control.
Yep.
So take control, chat, of your situations, because that's key.
Very key, very key. I could have easily been discouraged, right? Remember, I do this publicly too. So not only was my YouTube channel taking a hit, not only was my DMs being filled with, you suck as a trader, you gotta change this, and you gotta change your strategy and all this, right? I could have listened to everyone, but you know what I did? I stayed steadfast. I did not grow weary in doing what was right. I blocked out the noise, and I looked into the trading, to find anything that I could to give me some sort of a clue as to why things weren't going the way I would like them. And to be honest, there wasn't much happening on the desk. It was more so off the desk, where I was moving. I just had a baby and just, I guess, wasn't dialed in, you know, and focused like I should be. So the cool part about that was I actually realized that my system didn't really take those losses. I did, right, as a trader. So it was my own actions and my own implementation that kind of caused those losses. So that was another cool thing. And you know what? That made me a better trader, right? Because since that day, I've started to dive in and learn some things and be open to, you know, getting a better read on price. And through those mistakes, we learned how to dominate pretty much.
Yep.
Yeah, we already were dominating last year, but we just came with a new level of domination this year. You know, we just came with a new swag, and I think a lot of times those losses and those, you know, those down times are really, you could do two things with them. You can either use them to your advantage to come back even harder, or you can quake and cry and, you know, run to your mom's lap and sit there and put your head down. But
Run to your mom's back.
we gotta keep our heads up and continue to learn the lessons that life gives us.
Sorry, bro. And I just think this one of the most beautiful things about life is that if the strangest secret in the world is that we become what we think about, and if we control our thoughts, then we can control our future. And I think that's beautiful.
Is the trading journal free? Yes. Yes, it is.
Yes, sir, brother. But I think I'm about to head out of here, though. I'm about to chill out before I get going.
All right, man. You're leaving me?
Yes, sir.
All right. 4 minutes
be back
before
tomorrow.
9:30? No doubt.
Well, we have news at 9:30.
All right. Yeah, no doubt. No, I'm just kidding. Enjoy, bro.
All right, bet. I'll give you a call later.
Sounds good. Have fun.
All right, bet. Thanks, bro. Have a good day.
Peace.
Peace. Chat, have a great day. See y'all tomorrow. Peace.
Peace. Where do I find it? Just hit on !! journal and it'll pop up. All right, Papa Pal coming in to do some talking here. It's coming up. He's going to hit the stage in just a few moments. Will you without John? Yeah. What up, Xander? How you doing, bro? What's up, Bliss? Bliss in the house. Pete the G, see you tomorrow, man. I thought you were going surfing. No surfing today? Wiz Buddha, me and you trading news today? It's me and you, bro. It's me and you. Yo, that's funny. We were neighbors for a little bit, Wiz Buddha. I used to live down there too. Xander, how you doing? Sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I missed you. All right, everyone. Jerome Powell. Good morning, everyone. Why don't we just mess with everyone that's coming in? There comes the fireworks. So yeah, we're a bit stuck in this range here. The 30-minute looks good to continue up. The 1 hour as well. The 4 hour is what's bearish, but again, we are above that support. Powell coming in to do some talking here in a couple seconds, so I think I'm still going to be waiting for a closure as of right now. No impulse or anything just yet, but we'll see what happens in a few minutes. I don't know if it's going to be like a big explosive move or if he's just going to talk and that's going to start running price. I should be a comedian. That was going to be my job. It was either day trader / entrepreneur or comedian. You know, in elementary school when they used to hand out like all those like cards, like what's your personality? Dudes would always give me the funny one. I'm like, funny how? Why am I funny? I lost my account. Now I sit here and learn a little bit. Yeah, man, it's you know, really take a serious dive into why did you lose the account? What happened? Did the same thing happen last time? Right? Is it the same mistakes? What mistake are you making? You know, that's the big thing you want to really focus on, gang. I want to encourage you guys to take this really serious, right? I joke around and I have fun with you guys, but I study, right? I work, man. I really dive into my trading, and I really encourage you guys to do that stuff as well. And you know, I posted something yesterday where, and look, $1,400 or $1,900 or whatever it was that I made yesterday, that's not the most I've ever made, right? Yeah, that's 1,900 is not the point. The point is that when I was working a job, I was making $500 a week, 480 something. And the fact that yesterday I made close to $2,000, that would have taken me a week, right, to make at my job, plus almost 50 hours, right, 40 hours of my time, plus my energy and being somewhere I don't want to be. And to make that at the desk, right, in an hour yesterday is by far one of the coolest things in the world, right? So when we talk about really treating this thing serious, I really want you to take it serious, because until you do, you're never going to get paid, right? You guys want to get paid, or you guys want to dance around and have fun on YouTube, right? I want to get paid. So in order to get paid, you have to take your mistakes seriously. You have to take this craft with a seriousness that you've maybe never taken anything like in your life, right? So the ability that you have to print money out of thin air, that's enough to lock me in and fire me up to do whatever I have to do. So I don't know what you guys are doing. Some of you guys are locked in. Some of you guys are just playing around with this. And I would encourage you to stop playing around. I would encourage you to get serious if you really want to make some money here, and really dial in and find out what is holding me back, right? Hire a mentor. Buy a coach, invest in someone that can look into your trading, right? Help you out, show you some things that you may not see, right? I did that. By the way, gang, I did that. You want to know when I did that? Early March is when I hired an 8-figure trader and got to spend 2 hours with him. And what he told me completely revolutionized my game, right? A mentor is there to share your blind spots, right? Your blind spots are what? They're blind to you, right? You don't know what you don't know. So look what happened late March is when I spoke to him. And again, the results speak for themselves. So I take it serious, and that's why I will do whatever it takes. I'll hire someone, I'll dive deep into my trading, whatever I got to do to figure things out. So I'm really encouraging you guys to take it serious, man, because the opportunity is sitting right at your fingertips, literally. Right? You have the opportunity to turn a dream into a reality right here, right now. So I really want to leave you with that, and I hope and pray that you begin to take this with some real responsibility and seriousness. How much did that cost me? It don't matter, because I would have paid it. Much bigger than what the Elite cost, right? And that was only for 2 hours. When I go BE on TradingView, do you press anything, or do you move the long and short? Yeah, I move the long and short to that point. Yep. And then don't forget, you're going to have to hit modify. Modify. Yeah, I don't know what happened, but I must have had a limit order in or something from yesterday. That was so weird. I made my day's pay at the desk, now heading to work. What a feeling. What a good feeling. Alright, so Pal's speaking now, so let's see what happens here. We're looking for potential fake outs here up at 31. I'm trying to buy a webinar ticket, but the transactions declined. Maybe refresh and try it again. How much money do we really need to start seeing decent gains? It's a tough one to answer, right? Because there's some guys I know, they got two grand, and you know they'll make something out of that, right? They'll make two, 3, 4, 5,000 in a month off of 2G. So I think it's more so about the skill. Like once you acquire the skill, then you can set your sights on like accounts. But I would say to risk like very minimal, I would say at least 5K or get a funded account. Yeah, I would advise to invest in prop firms to increase personal capital. Yeah, I mean that's something that I did. You know, I traded funded accounts all 2021 and half of 2022. So that, you know, those 100K accounts made a significant difference in me, in my lifestyle. They're basically what helped me get free, you know, and freed up. Yes, it is. Everything's a process. Yep. WDT gamer. Yeah, 4 hours nasty here. Nasty. I've been trading since about 2019, 2020. Started yesterday with Tradeovate, $400. Already got it to $450. Let's go, Norbin. Let's get it. All right, let's pay attention. Let's see what happens here. We got a closure on the 15 coming up in like 6 minutes. So let's see what happens here. And if nothing good, we'll wait for the 30. If nothing there, then we'll probably call it a day. It's funny how the emotional control, yeah, it carries over into everyday life. That's right. Yeah, when you start dialing yourself in here, next thing you know, you don't start. When you start staying composed here, you all of a sudden you realize you're composed over there. So when someone gives you the middle finger in traffic, you don't whip out your Glock anymore. You just take a couple deep breaths and you go, "Woosah! I am a composed person. I do not get upset at small little things." Where before you were whipping the Glock, flashing the Glock. There's no safety on that thing either, so they were like, yo. Start shooting the sun. You whip out your shotty instead, yeah. Yeah, you start getting composed, you know? You really do. And if you have a good teacher and a good educator, then they will help you 10x that and get it done much quicker. I'm gonna start throwing pips out the window. Yeah, now, hey, I don't know what it is, man. When someone does something stupid in front of me, when I drive by them, I just have to look at them. I just have to see the face on this person that would do something like that in traffic. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not past that yet. I'm not past that yet. I'd be grilling on the way over. Tell him, Lord Jesus, bless him. Bless him. Yo, I gotta show you guys a video. It's so funny. Let me see if I can get it. I think I sent it to my wife. I'll find it. I'll find it later. Of course, it's usually like this old, like 87-year-old grandma looking lady. I'm like, oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah, so right now we're just paying attention to how we react to the zone. So 31, right? So we want to see how we begin to react to 31 because we may get a fake out here, right? Because there's still another resistance here, and that resistance is only what? 22 pips away. So it's not the greatest range there, right? So we want to see if maybe we can get a fake out, because if we do end up closing back below the range like this, so maybe we get a candle that closed with no top wick, or right, and then we get a candle closing like this, then we can anticipate there's another move coming back down. All right, so that's kind of like what I'm potentially looking at, you know, break even in that zone, and you know, partial somewhere down here. But we'll see. We gotta wait. This can close with no top wick. That'd be phenomenal. Yeah, I know. Tell me about it. Yeah, it's a good thing though, man. It really is. I'm happy that I'm only trading 4 lots on my 200K account with top one. Yeah. Otherwise, I'd be trading 20 lots. Granny gets a stare down. Hey, give me a sec. I'll be right back. Can't buy is declining. Ooh, maybe TK could help out with that. They're having some issue checking out on the the webinar. Yeah, I'm not too sure. No, we didn't do the contest entry yet. Not yet. Why would I want to have no top wick? Great question. So no top wick. So when you have a candle that has a top wick, right, then that means that that candle, the next one has a range for the next candle to follow in, right? So if that candle doesn't have a top wick, then that means that there's no range. So typically this candle will not be able to, and again, everything we talk about is probability, right? So without a top wick, this next candle a lot of times will go look for a wick and it won't see a wick. So it'll start heading back down because there's no range to fill, and then if it breaks its low, it'll typically start driving down like that. Yeah. Let's see the 4 hour here. So we did break 4 hour highs. But again, it's just very, very choppy up here right now. We've also already moved up quite a bit, right? We took buys way down here. So over 120 pips away is the nearest support, right? We took our buys at support, which was what we want to do, right? So this has now moved up since our trade and has not pulled back at all yet. So if you do get a candle that closed with no top wick and then another one that closes back below the range, that's typically when you're going to see a pullback, right? And price will kind of do something like this and, you know, maybe push down a little further and then plant like a new support, right? So that's when I want to take buys again. Once we have a new support formed, because I want to take my buy off of that level, right? Off of that support. That's where the most power is going to come from. So it's like a squat, right? When you do a squat, all your power comes from when you're in the squatting position. So imagine you're already up now. So you got the weight all the way up. Now you're just trying to do some stuff on your tippy toes. You know, there's not a lot of force there. Yeah, if you guys are having issues, just DM TK. He'll help you out. He's the man. Yeah, I don't necessarily want to take a buy here because I've got another resistance right here. So even if this candle does close above, I'd rather still see a bearish closure. Now, as long as we close above the range, and that's where we have a brand new support, right? So that's when we could begin to take our buys like this. But that closure is huge because you see how this was the same exact pattern that I drew out before, only there's one big difference, and that difference is this zone right here. Are we closing above or are we closing below it? Because if we're closing above it, then we're still in position to drive up, right? But if this candle is closing below the range, then that's where we could say, okay, we may have a fake out here and, you know, kind of run into the same trade we took yesterday, which was, you know, sells after that fake out. Right, I think it was right here. Right here, right here. Yeah, this one. By the way, yesterday's trade, phenomenal trade, gang. And then today's trade, amazing too, right? Notice how we were selling from resistance yesterday, and today we were what? Buying from support. Repeat it with me. Sell from resistance, buy from support. Come on, gang, all at once. Sell from resist. Yo, options, what's good? Options, say it with me now. Say it with me. Who else wants to come on Zoom, man? I'm bored. Push it. Jerome must be talking some talk right now. Thanks for the... Oh, you're welcome, Hacker. Hacker White Hat. Hacker White Hat, you're welcome, man. I might have to go throw on my white hat now. Maybe I'll wear my white hat tomorrow. Sell from resistance. Sell from support. Buy from resistance. Some of you guys are gonna leave. Did he say buy from resistance and sell from support, or was it buy from support and sell it? I'm gonna have to rewind the stream. What time did he say that again? To some of you guys, that's a tongue twister. You don't get it, and that's scary, man. Especially if you guys have been here for at least a month. Buy from the Fibby. Let's see what the Fibby's talking about here. Oh, TP coming. I guess we should have just held our buys, huh? Shoulda, coulda, woulda. We'd be 140 pips in profit, man. Only if we would have held the buys. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Do I have any long-term investments? Absolutely. Yeah, I have investments, I have income, so like everything really popped off with trading, but now I'm pretty diverse. Everything popped with those blown 100K accounts, man. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Told y'all to hold, man. Nah, no matter who told me to hold, honestly, I would have been out right, where was it? It was right here anyway. That was my partials anyway, no matter what. Just kidding, just kidding. I shouldn't have held. Right? This was the area. That's why I closed right there on top one. Yo, what's Pal talking about here? What time is it? We got 8 minutes for the 1 hour closure here. So let's see how we close, and then we'll kind of go from there. We'll see if we want to hang out for a little longer, or if we want to just call it a day. NASDAQ moving up here too. Done the day with 2 wins, bro. Congrats, man. Congratulations. You like my cap, Sam the man? Thank you, bro. Yeah, that's true. Options. That's very true. Day by day. The crazy part about trading is you can't force it. You know, it's a day by day thing. It's a trade by trade thing. So as much as you want to be successful and you want to quit your job, you still just got to follow the path, right? Follow the process that's going to get you to those things. Yeah, a lot of times we want to rush things in life. I get it. I'm with y'all. I want to rush things too. But remember when I showed you guys all my blown challenge accounts? That's when I was really rushing my trading. I was rushing. It was like I lived in Russia. That's how much I was rushing. I was so Russian, it was like I lived in Russia. Do I trade news? Depends what news we're talking about. Can you say hi to my girlfriend and make her smile? Hi, girlfriend. Smile. She's sleepy? Wake her up. Let her know it's time to eat. Time to eat. I'm gonna have to record Alea. Alea's really talking a lot now, but it's the cutest thing when she's like, time to eat. Time to eat. The best thing she says now, though, is, hey, let's pray. She says, hey, let's pray. I love that, man. I love that. You know, the word says you could ask anything in my name and I'll do it. And I used to ask for all these things. Let me be a profitable trader, you know, and all that stuff. But you know what I ask for a lot now? I just ask that the Lord's presence would flood my family's heart. And that they would want to seek the word and seek the Lord in ways that maybe I have never before. What did I miss? You missed, I don't know. When did you leave? She's not allowed to touch my account. Yes, Usman, that sounds about right, bro. Sounds about right to me. Can you explain the 830 onion buy? It looks different compared to ideal onion setup. What are the confirmations we need to take? Colin, which are you talking about, the 30-minute time frame here? This one? Oh, 8:30? Yeah, 8:30 the move was done. So it was more of like an 8 a.m. onion. Or yeah, you're right, 8:30 onion. Yeah. No, it looked good to me. It looked pretty normal. Yeah, I think the only thing different there, instead of going break even, is just put stops below the previous candle low, and that should have been that would have been straight there. What up, Billy's lost in the house. I got the ticket for the webinar. Let's go. Yeah, I'm excited to see you guys at the webinar, man. What I want to do on the webinar too is I want to bring out some standout traders at TTE and let you guys hear a little bit from them as well. You know, you may look at me and I'm up in this box and, you know, I got this big YouTube channel, or really little YouTube channel, but you know, you may see me and just be like, oh, you know, well, Nick, you know, of course Nick does that, but I want to bring some elite members in. I want to bring some other traders here at TTE that are just dominating, right? So that way you can hear a little bit from them as well. Maybe not too much time, but be able to kind of hear from them and hear their heart. And I want to allow them to share because, you know, there's certain things that certain traders are doing that they're dominating in that area. And I think it would be great for you guys to hear from them at the webinar as well. Oh, damn. Best of faith. Welcome back, my friend. Yeah, we see that happen a lot. People come back, and I'm glad that they come back. So it's just a good place here. Not just because I'm here, but because there's a lot of really great people in this community and in the chat. Can we listen to Won't He Do It? You guys like that one? I'd be jamming to that one, man. I'd be jamming to that one. Won't he do it? All right, here we go. So here's your Jolts job openings here coming in. 10 a.m. red folder news here. So let's see what happens. This could be where we begin to pull back from. No buys for me unless we get above 38 at this point, or you get a support here. He'll take a stone and make it still. Fading. Yeah, I don't like the fade above 31 here. Yeah, that's my only thing. Thoughts on U.S. indices? Gold can be rough. Yeah, that's what I hear. You know, and gold can be rough, but I think I've just trained my I just trained myself for gold now. It's just been like 3 years, so I'm not too sure. I don't really look at any other pairs. So I'm not too sure how the indices are trading and all that. I literally only look at gold. Here and there I'll pop on NASDAQ just to see what's good, but gold is it. Oh, closed under the 1 hour. This one? No joke, since the day I started following you, my account's been up. Hey, that's good. Well, that's good news. Yeah, I want to keep an eye on this 31 zone here for the 15 closure, because if you do close below, you've got a 50 pip range coming down and then about a 100 pip range to retrace that whole move right there. So that would be this crazy 4-hour candle actually coming down, breaking the lows and pushing down. Yep. Long time no NAS. That's true. That's true. NAS closed above here. You got a little sneaky guy over here to the left, though. Oh, yeah, NFP. We'll see. Friday NFP. What time is it? 10:03. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it. I think closures below 31 are gonna be pretty good here. Closures below 31 in terms of taking sells may be pretty valid. Again, you got 50 pips down to 25 or 26 there, and then you got a nice 100 pip clean range, right, to retrace today. So yeah, so we may do that. I don't think it's gonna happen just yet. If it does, it's gonna just push on this candle. Wait for this candle to close, and then you may have your opportunities there. So I may be looking for sells below 31 here in about 11 minutes or 26 minutes, and take it from there. But hey, great session here today. Great trade early on. Way to take those buys from right at that rejection area. Be sure to get the webinar tickets if you guys are coming to the webinar. Those are all up and running now on the website, so pull up. We look forward to seeing you guys there. That's going to take place later on in the month. And yeah, I think this was a good day. One trade taken, beautiful buys from 20, and we'll see what happens up here if we want to retrace that move or not today. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for the day. Since I'm all alone here on Zoom and no one wants to join me. Yeah, if you guys have if you guys are gonna continue trading, we'll see you guys in the Discord in a little bit. I'm about to probably take a quick walk and then come back and see where price is. Yeah. But W's on the way out. Thank you guys for showing up today. Like the stream on the way out. If you're not subbed to the channel, give a sub. And like that one guy said, man, everything is up. So everything is up over here, chat. Love y'all. Let's keep the momentum going. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
I was down, but now I'm
Later.
up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, yeah, I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spit in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work. Yeah, yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy, and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, yeah, I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm
down, now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack in the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put them back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business, now who I worship. Who the little guy making big, big, big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick, 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 boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff, probably thought it was a bluff, till I went and turned it where?
I was down, but now I'm up, up. Let's go. Yeah. This all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, yeah, I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm up. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be busting, where they end your life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? 1 more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. That hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fast. Had to cut out the session, he got in the crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we swinging the rock. We kicking this beating, why serve you sure? Even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me, yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing. Come and step into the kingdom, for the ones mistreated. To the day we see them, this feel like the moment we seeking. The day we can sing up the water, get freedom to walk. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk, get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Let's go.